Hi there. In this video, we'll do a quick dive into the Embedded Service Enabler, or ESE, in your Dell PowerVault ME52 system. The ESE acts as your storage system's built-in service assistant. It quietly monitors the system health and reports issues directly to Dell support, helping resolve problems faster, often before you spot them. To check your current ESE version, start by logging in to the PowerVault Manager interface. From there, click Maintenance and then click on About. In the About panel, expand Firmware Information. Your ESE version will be shown here. The Embedded Service Enabler is part of your controller firmware package, and updates are applied along with the firmware upgrades. And that's it. For more information on this topic, check out the links in the description below and check out our other videos for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.